In today's video, I will walk you through how to find top gainers on investing.com. If you want to spot explosive momentum, track heavy buying pressure, or find out which stocks are breaking out before everyone else, tracking the top gainers list is a vital daily habit. Today, we're breaking down step-by-step how to find and filter top gainers right on investing.com. Let's dive right in. Head over to the main homepage of investing.com. On the top navigation bar, hover your cursor over the Markets tab. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Stocks. This will take you directly to the primary equities overview hub, where global stock data, market summaries, and performance rankings live. Once you are on the Stocks page, look just below the main navigation menu, and you will see a tab labeled as Top Gainers. Click on the Top Gainers link or tab. This will instantly generate a live updating ranked list of stocks showing the highest percentage price increase since the previous market close. By default, you might see a broad list. Use the country and exchange filters at the top of the table to narrow down your results, whether you want to check United States equities, European exchanges, or local markets. You can also click on individual column headers, like price or performance, to sort the gainers by trading activity, ensuring you aren't trapped by low liquidity spikes. Click on any asset in the list to open its detailed page. From there, you'll have access to interactive charts, historical price data, technical indicators, financial information, recent news, and additional market statistics that can help you perform a more detailed analysis. It's also a good idea to revisit the top gainers page throughout the trading day. Since market prices are constantly changing, the rankings may update as new assets move higher or existing leaders change positions. And that's how to find top gainers on investing.com.